Sewell Peak, up there in the clouds, travelling in style. The old diesel Land Rover. We're going to be heading up that hill into those clouds. Just accessing through the dairy farm road. I highly suspect that this fine Land Rover has solid rubber tyres. No. Oh no, Evan says no. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's got good rubber tyres.
This is going to be the first time Evan's taken this four-wheel driving. I'm unaware if they've fixed the road past the gate, but we're soon going to find out. Just coming up to the gate. Coming up to the base of the hill where we actually go on to Sewell.
Sewell Road.
Sewell Road, yep.
You can pay your rates up here.
Right, we've got up to Sewell Peak in the clouds. Reasonably windy, but not too bad. A bit chilly. Okay, so we're going to make our way into. It's cold, Evan, yes. The old TDI 100 by 100. I don't know what that means. She just got us up here. Right. This is the AM radio repeater for the local VHF at 146, 350 receive and 950 transmit out. It appears that we had an issue with gating from distant signal on site. Worked fine. We got Evan's wife to do a call and we couldn't hear her, and we just got the whole transmit and we adjusted the gate until it kicked in, and so that seems to have solved the problem for the moment, and we'll let that run for a while, the next few weeks, and see how stable it is. Done. Okay, we're left the repeater site, we've done a couple of tests, so now we're coming back down, and Evan's got the almighty Land Rover in low ratio second gear. So there's yeah, there's grey. Not so not so grey, it's a bit muddy. Oh yeah. So we're still in cloud. You can't see the old Cordia Tower or Hero. So we're making our way down. This is if any of you have seen the mountain bike descent, this is where I stop and check the brakes and realise they're getting really, really hot. What you say?